Welcome, everyone. Thank you for being here. So, today I'm planning to do something different. I've not done that before. So, I am adding all the smorgasbord of colors on this canvas because I would like to do a negative painting. I hope it is called negative painting, but basically, what it is I'm gonna use two canvases, press them. So, here, thanks to my niece, she's helping me. So we will put those canvases together. So I hope we'll get good um, color combination. And there we go. And it is beautiful. It's amazing. I thought I will get the muddy color or something, but it is really, really beautiful. So now the next process starts.
So this thing is completely dry now, as you can see. It's really pretty.
So here I traced a leaf pattern on the shelf liner to protect the part of the painting that I want to keep, and others I will paint it with the solid color. After this, you just have to place the shelf liner wherever you think is the best placement for your leaves, and just remove the adhesive from behind and stick the adhesive side on the canvas.
Paint has dried, as you can see. Now I'm going to stick off this.
So I removed the shelf liner, and after removing it, I used acrylic pens to draw these leaves. And you can get these acrylic paint markers from Amazon. Here, the leaves are the colors from the background pour that we did earlier. And the background in this canvas is colored from the acrylic pour. So I will be outlining the solid colored leaves using the same acrylic paint marker. Let me sped up the process here so you won't get bored. So basically what I'm trying here is just outlining these leaves. Here I was planning to do only the acrylic, only the outlines of the leaves with the acrylic paint marker. But then I realized that it will look bland. Um, and a couple of leaves should be solid gold. So it will pop out. The color will pop out, and that's what I'm doing right now. Um, I used Folkart gold for this purpose, and I just painted a couple of leaves just solid gold. These are the two final pieces. Let me show you the details. I really like the background color that are showing from the back of the leaves and the golden outline on teal background. I really liked it. It is just popping the background color that we created using the pour. And let me show you the second canvas where a lot of background is showing from the earlier pour, and the leaves are solid teal and gold. I'm glad I chose to put solid gold leaves here instead of just the outlines. They are really giving it a pop of color. I think this is a very easy painting that produced really good results. I hope you like this piece. Let me know your thoughts if you would like to do something similar or anything different you would do with this painting. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.